Hello dear students, welcome back to the class 7. So in the last class we have started with the exercise number 2.2. In the exercise number 2.2 we have completed the first part, that is find the reciprocal of the following. Similarly you have completed the second part. The second part you have solve the following, and in the third part you have divide the following, and in this video you are going to simplify the following. In the simplify the following I am going to solve two examples, and two examples you have to solve by yourself. Okay dear students, so see here, look after here. So see here, the first question says 2 integer 3 by 7 into 5 integer 5 by 6 divided by 11 integer 1 by 3. Okay dear students, I am going to solve here. The question says 2 integer 3 by 7, 2 integer 3 by 7 into 5 integer 5 by 6 whole divided by 11 integer, that is 1 by 3. So this is your given question, that is 2 integer 3 by 7 into 5 integer 5 by 6 divided by 11 integer 1 by 3. Okay dear students, so see here, first see, this is in the form of mixed fraction. So 2 integer 3 by 7 is in the form of mixed fraction, 5 integer 5 by 6 is in the form of mixed fraction. Okay, so this 11 integer 1 by 3 is also in mixed fraction. So mixed fraction definition you already learned, that is the combination of whole and its parts. Okay dear students, first you convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction. So in the previous video you have done the conversion, that is the first video of your fraction, or second video of fraction, that is conversion of mixed fraction to improper fraction you have learned. So similarly you have to follow here, that is 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 3 which is equals to 17 by 7. Okay, into next 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 5 is 35, 35 by 6 divided by 11, 3 11s are, this 11 3s are 33, 33 plus 1 is 34 by 3, 34 by 3. Okay dear students, now you have to take the reciprocal by changing the sign. So this is 17 by 7, this is into 35 by 6. Now this is division, it become multiplication, and this will become a 3 divided by 34. Okay, see now all are in the multiplication form. Okay dear students, now we have to do cancellation. So see here, you know this is 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. Similarly this is 3 1s are 3 2s are. Okay, and this is 17 1s are, and this is 17 2s are 34. So see, in the numerator the numbers are remaining as 1 into 5 into 1 whole divided by 1 into 2 into 2. Okay, so this is 5 1s are 5, and this is 2 2s are 4. Okay dear students, now see 5 by 4 is in the form of improper fraction, the required answer. This you have tried in the form of mixed fraction. 4 1s are 4, remaining is 1 divided by 4. So this is your required answer. Okay, so see here, after doing cancellation you are getting in the numerator as 1 into 5 into 1 and 1 into 2 into 2, that is 1 5s are 5 and 2 2s are 4. So answer you are getting as 1 integer 1 by 4. Okay dear students, please note down this, simplify the following first problem. Okay dear students, second problem I am going to solve. Second one question says simplify the following. The second question is 2 integer 1 by 7, 2 integer 1 by 7 into 1 integer 3 by 36 divided by, so divided by what is 18 by 23, 18 by 23 into 5 by 7. So this is your question, that is 2 integer 1 by 7 into 1 integer 3 by 36 divided by 18 by 23 into 5 by 7. So this is your question. Okay dear students, now I am going to solve this. So again conversion of mixed fraction to improper fraction. 17 2s are 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 1 is 15 by 7 into 36 1s are 36, 36 plus 3 is 39 by, this is 36. Similarly, change that this one, that is division changes to multiplication by taking the reciprocal. This is 23 by 18 and this is 7 by 5. Okay, so now do we have to do cancellation? So see here, dear students. So see here, this is 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. 5 ones are 5 and 5 threes are 15. Okay, dear students, now so see here is the question I have taken here wrong. It is 46. It is 46 and this you change to 46. Okay, so means this is 46 ones are 46, 46 plus 3 is 49. Okay, dear students, so see here, this is 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. Next you have, this is 7 ones are 7, 7 sevens are 49. Okay, dear students, so now see again what we can go. Again see the remainder which are remaining. So again what we can do in this one, the question. So again this is 3 ones are 3, 6 are 18. So this is 3, 6 are 18. So please see this once again. Okay, dear students, now see it is 7 ones are 7, sevens are, then this is 5 ones are, this is 5 threes are, 3 ones are, 3 6 are. So again see what we can do. So this is 23 ones are, 23 twos are. Again the numbers which are remaining here. So see the numbers which are remaining. So the numbers are remaining in the numerator is 1 into 7 into 1 into 7 whole divided by 1 into 2 into 6. So these are the numbers remaining. That is 1 into 7 into 1 into 7, 1 into 2 into 6. So these numbers are remaining, means the answer you can write this as 7 sevens are 49 and this is 2 6 are 12. Okay, dear student, once again see here, this is 7 twos are 14, 14 plus 1 is 15 by 7. Okay, dear students, so see here once again see here, dear students. Otherwise if you are confused, I am going to solve once again. So see here, this is 7 twos are 14, 14 plus 1 is 15 by 7. Okay, then into 46 ones are 46, 46 plus 3 which is equals to 49 by 46. Then division changes to multiplication. Take the reciprocal, 23 by 18 into 7 divided by 5. Okay, so now in the cancellation. So this is, this is 7 ones are 7 and 7 sevens are 49. You know the table. Similarly, 23 ones are 23 twos are. Similarly, this is 3 6 are 18, 3 5s are 15. Okay, so 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18. So this 5 and this 5 get cancelled, and what is remaining in the numerator, in the numerator numbers are remaining as 1 7 1 into 7 and similarly 1 into 2 into 6 into 1. So 1 1 are remaining. So just multiply this. So you are getting 7 sevens are 49 and 6 twos are 12. Okay, so again this is in the form of, that is improper fraction, convert in the form of mixed fraction, that is 12 fours are 48. So 12 fours are 48, remaining is 1 whole divided by 12, that is 4 integer 1 by 12 is your required answer. Okay, these two problems you note down, and some more two problems are there. You have to solve by yourself and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, dear students, now welcome back to the one more question of exercise number 2.2. That is sixth question says the product of two numbers is 5 integer 2 by 3. If one of them is 2 integer 4 by 15, find the other. So fifth question you have to solve by yourself and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, so dear students, the question says the product of two numbers is 5 integer 2 by 3. If one of them is 2 integer 4 by 15, find the other integer. So let the one number be, what it will be, it is 2 integer 4 by 15. And let the other number I choose as x, and product of numbers is how much they are given, that is how much given, that is 5 integer 2 by 3. So this is the given, means one number they are given as y and one more they are given as x. They are not given x, you need to find and answer. And the one more thing, the product of these sum they are given as like this. One example I choose, one number is y, one number you need to find, the product of y and x is 6. So like this the given question says. Okay dear students, so now see, I choose one number as, that is 2 integer 4 by 15, and one more integer as x, and what it is, the product of two number is 5 integer 2 by 3. You need to find the second number. So first one, write the second number as x is equals to 5 integer 2 by 3 whole divided by 2 integer 4 by 15. Okay dear students, now convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2, 17 by 3 whole divided by 15 2s are 30, 30 plus 4, that is 34 by 15. So now take the reciprocal, 17 by 3 into 15 by 34. So again this is 17 ones are 17 2s are 3 ones are 3 4s are. So 3 5s are 15. So the answer is remaining as 5 by 2. So this is 5 by 2 means you have to convert in the form of mixed fraction, that is 2 2s are 4, 1 divided by, so just write here 1 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 integer 1 by 2 is the second number. Therefore the second number is 2 integer 1 by 2. So this is your required answer. Okay dear students, please note down this problem and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number.